In this video, we will review the loan setup tools inside of the Initial Setup tab. AutoPal Software makes it easy to calculate payments and amortization schedules on your loans. During the loan creation process, making these calculations is as easy as a click of a button. In certain circumstances, it may be necessary to use additional tools to help AutoPal match an existing schedule. In order to facilitate these changes, AutoPal Software has a full suite of tools at your disposal. To access the loan setup tools, access an individual loan and select the Initial Setup tab. Each of the tools in this section have a very different function and use. It should be noted that successful utilization of these tools is dependent upon the conceptual understanding of their use. We will now review each tool. Calculate and save. By selecting this icon, the loan values you previously entered into the loan terms will be saved and utilized to calculate a payment amount and payment schedule. This icon must also be selected in order to save any changes to the configuration of the loan. Activate loan. Once a schedule has been calculated and you're satisfied with the output values, selecting the Activate Loan icon will finalize the terms and lock the fields on the initial setup. It should also be noted that by activating a loan, history will be enforced. The Fund button. This icon allows you to send a funding check to a borrower, a source company, or directly to a cash drawer. The Roll Payment tool. This tool allows you to select a variable used in the calculation of the payment amount and allow the system to manipulate the variable in order to create a new payment amount. This tool is especially useful when matching a previously existing contract or when attempting to create schedules with even payment amounts. Enter your desired payment amount. Choose if you'd like to solve with interest rate, underwriting/refinance fee, whole term with fees, or term exact. For the vast majority of cases, term exact tends to be the best option from the available fields. Choose whether the payment includes the base payment or the base payment plus escrow, and select Roll Payment. Roll Schedule. This tool allows you to implement customized changes to loan calculations. For example, you may offer a promotional 0% APR for the first 6 months. This tool would allow you to alter the base calculation to match the custom schedule. To do so, simply select New Schedule Line and enter in the desired values. If you have defaulted schedules, you can select Load Default Schedule. The Smooth tool. Select this option if you desire for the system to automatically smooth the payment schedule. This will, by iteration, automatically roll the term exact and enter the smallest round amount necessary to have the payments smooth. It should be noted that selecting the Smooth icon is functionally the same as setting the Smooth Payments drop down in the Advanced configuration to Yes and calculating the loan. The Force tool. This tool allows you to enter in a forced schedule. This essentially entails entering a term, interest rate, and payment amount. The system will then push the calculation through based on those terms, but it should be noted that this may affect the output APR of the loan. This has been a brief overview of the loan setup tools in the Initial Setup tab.